Alkaline don't raid people. Anytime
Really?
I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that. Ask him who inspire him. In music that is forbidden to the culture, and when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to suck my mother.
Oh.
Yeah, him said the body washer, me dismiss that. And him go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him. And then him went out of the way to tell me suck my mother in my DM.
Pass that, give me. This is Bounty Funeral. Look at it. B-O-U-N-T-Y, that pronounced Bounty. This is the only DJ when in Jamaica, when you want a tissue paper, you use this wipe your bottom.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. So Toilet Paper Mouth Bounty Killer run out again and at this Alkaline. We see him in our previous interview with Academic and him at this Alkaline and I said to Alkaline, say anyway buck Alkaline, one way I'm going to do to Alkaline. I thought me can remember him and Alkaline was booked for a show in a Trinidad and him big up Alkaline and say big up Such Child. So all of a sudden now, he must say wait till him buck Alkaline have to defend the suck mother because Alkaline fly up in him DM and tell him about his mother. You remember that time when Bounty Killer this Alkaline on him platform on Instagram and Alkaline make sure go direct in him DM and tell him say go suck your mother, ya bitch. Bounty Killer have up Alkaline for that. And watch this, viewers and subscribers. Me have a clip, you know, a long, lengthy clip. I want to play for you and then we can interject and talk over it and what go on in it. Because right now, I realize, you know, I really realize, you know, them man really hate Alkaline for a different reason, you know. Because watch this. And musically, them hate Alkaline for, you know, them just hate Alkaline because Alkaline nah associate himself with them. Him nah mix and mingle himself with them. And remember, Alkaline did say, you know, if me did chat up with them and go smile up with them would have been them favorite, you know. And at that interview you really showcase, you know, where him have with Academics, you know. Bounty Killer, Bounty Toilet Paper Killer. Bounty Killer one of them artists where many artists diss him up and him can't do nothing about it, but it look like a Alkaline him have strength for. You remember when Vibes Cartel had call him Tongue God? You remember when Vibes Cartel had diss up Bounty Killer and tell him say him shit up the girl them bed up a Hilton, him shitting at the girl them head, eh? You remember when Vibes Cartel said Bounty Killer blood up the girl them shit up a Hilton? I wonder if you remember which Bounty Killer me attack. Anybody who feel vexed about this, want to run up in our comment section, you just go run up in our mother. So we're going to just jump right into that vlogger, because that vlogger is a raw, uncut, tribal piece of vlog. You know? So when you stick around, don't move a muscle, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share button and know, say, yo, anytime I drop a video, a mad thing, you know it go already, man. Let's just jump right into it, people. It is safe to say that Alkaline is the Dancehall'S Boogeyman because every time some of them artists hear the name Alkaline mentioned in an interview, them get nauseous, them get up in them feelings because in this interview, your Academics mentions Alkaline name, right? Because Bounty Killer was bigging up the artists them when him think I go bring the genre forward to the future, to the forefront when them time up in the music. So Bounty Killer failed to acknowledge the fact that Alkaline do it and Alkaline do it bigger than enough of them artists or him name him call. So Academics bring up the name Alkaline and Bounty Killer goes out by saying, oh, the water, and this proves to me why I say Alkaline is the Dancehall'S Boogeyman. Because me not see Bounty Killer have a problem with Vibes Cartel dissing him over the years, and because Alkaline no come from theme camp or theme lineage, him up in him feelings about the whole suck him other thing, and I say about anytime him all Alkaline one way am I gonna do to Alkaline. So watch these people.
There has to be that guy in Dancehall that's young, that represents the people that's around his age and everything, and he's gonna carry the music. Who do you think that is?
Well, Massacre definitely are one of them. Popcorn are one of them. Dexter Up, TJ, the Protege, the Chronics, the Kabaka them, and the Skeng them. Yeah, those are the younger ones them when me see. Hold the momentum and keeping it from the time they came. The whole the pace and the maintaining and
no rating for like Alkaline?
Consistent. The water?
Why is he so polarizing for everybody?
Pass that, give me. This is Bounty Funeral. Look at it. B-O-U-N-T-Y, that pronounced Bounty. This is the only DJ when in Jamaica, when you run a tissue paper, you use this wipe your bottom.
Bounty Killer, you're not for talking, no? You're not for talking, no, because watch this. Alkaline are the good water, the best alkaline water that's ever made. Alkaline water is the best water. But watch this. You are the Bounty toilet we wipe ass. Which one you choose? Which one better? Tell me, Bounty Killer, which one better? The water or the ass paper? The Bounty paper. Which one better, Bounty Killer? Tell me, man, because you go up an interview and I be a slick like say you're idiot, because that is not a slick move, because your name Bounty. Your name Bounty Killer. What kind of name that you find for yourself? Bounty Killer. A toilet paper name that you know? Well, white body, you know, Bounty Killer. Bounty, go suck your mother.
No? We can take a walk inside, no? We might have some alkaline water in there.
Sure they do.
Viewers and subscribers, the man literally dance around Alkaline name, no? Call everybody else name but Alkaline. Academics have to bring up Alkaline to show you how them hate Alkaline. The man asked, academics asked him who him think are the young guns them were going to take the culture to the next level. And the man dance showing Alkaline name after Alkaline out here keep him own new rules and bring it across the globe. And none of them artists that went big up not do them own thing yet. None of them. The man reach out in a reggae naming and the man no call Alkaline name for show you how them festival are wicked.
The Grand Godzilla as a unity. Bounty Killer I show some support to Alkaline for him first show with Sans. And this is a good look. Unity in dancehall. This is definitely something we love to see. We see Beenie Man show a little bit. Vybz Kartel on the top of him game with the unity. We want to see more unity.
Them boy only show unity in a dancehall when it's beneficial to them, man. You see, if it's not beneficial to them no want the unity. The whole of them in a dancehall where you see a fake of the whole of them. You know, see Massacre get a whole heap of backlash because them claim to say Massacre this Vybz Kartel and nothing run out. Nothing, you know, run out. You know, that's why I tell us a dancehall full of be a gatekeepers, you know. Be a gatekeepers and corruption in a dancehall. See, nothing run out there for Massacre. This Massacre the worst way. Matsus run out for Massacre. This Massacre the worst way. I say, oh, a long time them a pre them and a long time them know so some of them artists boy you know rate Vybz Kartel and Ray and oh Vybz Kartel give them song right song do song with them and them are this Vybz Kartel and with the whole of them in a dancehall where you see a be a corruption, and that's why me have to rate Alkaline. Alkaline I want to mix and mingle with them. As well Alkaline say if me did sit down and chat up and laugh up with them, would I be them favorite, and that issue.
What is it though? You gotta help me understand. Yeah, I said, Killer, the only thing you know is that water.
Yeah.
I feel like, you know, I see a lot that people might say or disagree with him, but it'll get there, you know, maturity. You said something about maturity.
Yeah.
You know, I think when you were young, people would probably say about you like, yo, Killer don't respect nobody. You know, we said the same thing about Kartel when he was young.
No, man, I respect people, man. I respect people who respect people. Yeah, Alkaline a great artist, man, but him's a stupid boy.
See me telling the viewers and subscribers, the whole of them are undercover fans, you know. The whole of them are go like say them not rate Alkaline, but them rate Alkaline regardless. You hear what the man say? Alkaline a great artist, but him is a stupid boy. Now, Killer, come talk to me. What you mean by Alkaline is a stupid boy? Because him not talk up to you and not running out, because him antisocial, because him is an introvert and him not run up in and make you say Alkaline is a stupid boy. Come on now. Talk to me, Killer. I don't understand this.
He has no humanity and he's not social.
He's like 27, still young.
Yeah, but
How where the bumbo like this? The man say Alkaline is a stupid boy because him antisocial and him not have the humanity. What kind of done spot them people, yeah, man? How where they rotted like this? Me never see nothing like this before. You can't stop a man from being antisocial and being or him want be. Look how much top superstar artists out there were antisocial and I do them own thing. Even in the same interview, academics bring up NBA young boy and bro, me not understand them big dinosaur in a dancehall. Big man thing. Them are people are gatekeeper, you know, them hold down the youth, them, you know, them hold down the youth and a long time them are trying to style for Alkaline career, you know. And that's why you see them a pet and pamper Massacre, you know. And now Massacre come under fire with the Gaza fans, them, you know. A long time them a push up Massacre, you know, for push down the rest of the artists, them, you know. Only for glad say Alkaline kick down the gate for enough of them young youth, cause even Massacre wouldn't get for breakout so big. Remember say Massacre only break out big in a 2017 when he find infrared, you know. So I don't know how them a blood cleat dinosaur ya come out and talk about Alkaline or him is a stupid boy because him antisocial. Come on, you can't make this shit up.
I'm saying he's acting stupid. But kudos to him, he's a great artist. Me have some Alkaline when I like. Them men and the girl see me.
God have mercy upon us.
People who saw me I tell them about them bumbo dinosaur in a dancehall, them rate Alkaline and about them a go like them not rate the young lad. Them just like the style and disrespect the artist in a public. But when time the artist directly diss them in a song or in a them DM, them get up in a them feelings and them carry vengeance for him for years. Cause you see, this your boy up on the screen, you know. The whole dinosaur when him bounty killer, you know. The toilet paper, you know, will wipe the girl them body up at Hilton, you know. The man will shit up the girl them hotel up at Hilton, you know. Where Vibes Cartel sing about, you know. And him a carry vengeance for Alkaline, you know. And amount of time Vibes Cartel this him up, you know. The amount of time of Vibes Cartel this up this a mania. And you know, Vibes Cartel them a run back now.
Ground girl, high glass, you know. Hey, killer, we don't even know you. An argument that. Like you have a long up my tongue and show you. Batman, 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 Batman.
God have mercy upon us.
If a boy go up on stage and tell me bounty killer suck mama, he get be a gunshot and put this on the internet, make the commissioner see it too.
Yeah.
So he make sure, no make no boy rampant me side in her grave.
Yeah.
You mad any man tell me about me side, you have to go lay down with her too. My mother in her grave, well comfortable, resting in peace, you know.
Yeah.
And you make she turn in there, you are going in her grave too.
Yeah, what me a say no man? I don't want to see no man a comments under my post about yo! Killer one buck Alkaline. Me no want hear no man a talk about bounty killer one buck Alkaline. And who are the bounty killer Alkaline that Trinidad? Me say who are the bounty killer Alkaline that Trinidad? And bounty killer never step to Alkaline. Because bounty killer knows Alkaline not dangerous piece of boy.
Big up Craft, big up Roger Wild, and big up Such Child.
Man, shut your ass mouth, but when you hold Alkaline, what you go do to Alkaline? You not see Alkaline and do Alkaline nothing. Yeah, Alkaline got booked for the same show. I mean, no Alkaline the backstage or before you come up on the stage, you must encounter with Alkaline at the stage show. So you talk about what you go do to the youth because of the suck mother. Look how much time it is the youth. And the youth this year back. A respect for respect, you know. Respect goes a long way. Elders for respect youth, just like how the youths them for respect the elders them. So you disrespect the youth and go like say the youth for just take it so like the youth are soft soap. Run up on the blood cleat youth and see what the youth do somehow. Only think him a go do no anything. And the man them there around him will have the license piece. I go put blood clad can on the skin because uno has talk about unity and uno out here say talk about what I wanna do to youths and rare. All blood cleat dance I'll forget better. When you don't have dinosaur like uno in a genre, I try to hold down the youth them just because the youth them fire back shut off for uno because uno fire shut off for them. You see why things can't get better in our culture because of some of uno dinosaur.
Alkaline don't rate people. Ask him who inspire him. Everybody has to have some inspiration, unless you're a dead boy or a dead girl.
I asked you in the first interview whether if you're inspired by the world boss, Cartel.
If I'm inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired by people.
You say he wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by
That's
people.
what you said there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back?
No, I'm going to take back nothing.
Have you revised that?
No.
You don't?
No, he's a good artist. What do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it.
When me borrow?
Such as your...
Me my own clothes, me everything.
Them boy, they do want Alkaline for just come out and worship them God like how the rest of them worship them God Vibes Cartel. Because you see right now, you see everybody will worship Vibes Cartel and you see a sinking career the whole of them have. You see right now, them a take it tell Massacre. Because Massacre get the one song from Vibes Cartel, Infrared, them at use it, take it tell Massacre. And Vibes and Gaza fans, boy, them a go pull plug from Massacre and Ray. And that them did want Alkaline for doing them first part-time career for worship Vibes Cartel and go like Vibes Cartel like God. Them boy a go like a them RD and dancehall. Them a go like a them come invent dancehall or originate dancehall where man for come out and give other man worship and praises and rate. The man say him inspired by people. Vibes Cartel and the people. Vibes Cartel are no human being. Me want to know if him a human being.
He's a great artist, man. Don't get me wrong, man.
Yeah.
I respect him just like I respect every other artist in dancehall. Because I don't want people to feel like, say, oh, you tolerate nobody. No, man, I respect everybody in the dancehall space. But people just want me to, I don't know.
Or you're a dead liar. You has to heard music somewhere. Something has to play in your head. And then you start to hold on to that.
I feel he wanted to say Cartel early on, but the Gaza fund them used to try to beat him, but you know, like, oh yeah, copy this.
You don't want to say because, but don't act like there is not. You understand? Yeah.
I mean,
brother man, Alkaline never want to send a Vibes Cartel in his first part-time career. The man make sure say him distinguish himself from Vibes Cartel because they say uno corrupted type of people. Uno set a corruption in a dancehall. Uno are the bring down of the culture. Uno are the bring down of the whole Jamaican space because Uno set a corrupted people. Uno like old down people. And that's why the youth come out, bust out and tell himself, say, yo, I have to be great in other genre. Yeah. Me now gonna make my thing overshadowed by a next man. Me now gonna bring my career next man foot. And boy, me I go kiss no ring like some of them other artists in a dancehall. And that's why you see them last. Look on Tamale. Tamale are one of Vibes Cartel's prodigy. And nowhere his career. His career is nowhere. Wait there. Wait it there.
Bad mind can't stop me now. Me broke every red light that make it was a yo. The youngest and the baddest, me untouchable.
People, you don't know me I go beat bad right now. Bounty killer with the hammer. Long mouth brother there. With the long mouth boot brother. Or long boot mouth brother. Me a bounty killer there for interview at talk about where Alkaline doing a culture and him sing about something when I rate about body wash and he dismiss it and Alkaline going in a DM and tell him about his mother anyway and buck him in a real life. Bounty killer. Sek you look yourself, bounty killer. You can't do Alkaline in a real life. First and foremost, bounty killer. Cartel style is worse than Alkaline. Style is worse than Alkaline. And I never see you bring them the chat to him and talk about it. I must say, bounty tell about your mother, you know. I must say, Cartel say, yes, sir, you chat shit. Say, boy, you fucking yellow and batty up and build up a sheet up at Hilton. So, oh, you know this Cartel.
Cool no man, my brother. Hear me I tell him, man, Cartel this him the wickedest way. And see they know a Cartel him a run back a PP clock. But yet still you think you have strength for Alkaline. But run up on Alkaline and you see what Alkaline him team now floor your bumbo cleat. But you where you go do to Alkaline when you buck him and rare. Only think of one time when the youth them now no strength and the youth them now no bucketive or armor. Run up on the blood cleat youth as what the youth say no. If him go down state for your Lucas you don't know him have it with him. So run up on the blood cleat youth and see what go on, man. Go on now.
This is Bounty Funeral. Look at it. Bounty that pronounce bounty. This is the only DJ when in Jamaica when you run a tissue paper you use this wipe your bottom. So Bounty going around and calling up my name. And him is the only DJ where is the only waste my time used to wipe up. Nobody consider Bounty in this country. Him talking about him is the poor people governor. Him is the poor people sufferer. I want poor people dead for hungry. You ever tell about nothing like the ghetto, the poor and everything. Him take out the whole like thing from the ghetto and run up and see if he will roll like money. And gone up in the years, gone live with rich people. Bounty for go. I am the PPP, People's Prime Minister for Peace, and when we look on Bounty, we step on him like this. We don't even want him for use in our kitchen and walk in his face. You are nothing but a sappy piece of cloth, Bounty killer. You and your friend them. So, and I'm coming for you. Ninja Man is poor people's coke pan. You understand? Ninja Man now have a bed, a bicycle, a car, a business, nothing. Our half-done house, Ninja Man living at St. Mary. Ninja Man up on stage 25 years. Me see my spin pan record like him and Michael Jackson and Elvis Presley. And Ninja Man come back down to nothing less than merciless level.
Bounty killer, but you don't have a career neither. See our vibes cartel, you run back a PP clock. He Bounty killer, you look cloud from all the local artists and the young artists them. For years now, you call Alkaline name and I mention Alkaline name. And the local interview where you do with academics mention Alkaline name. You have to elaborate on it. You have to talk and you have to say all sort of blood cleating. He Bounty killer, come on, Bounty killer, man. Come on for the youth name now, man. How long you go try hold on the youth career for? You can't hold on him career no more, no? Him have him fan base, him have a strong fan base, you can't hold him down no more. So all you bite up your gum and bow, oh you go hold him, and when you hold him, you can't do the youth now, nothing no more now. Cause the youth well arms up, you think him alone arms up, a lot more youths out here arms up. The 44 and the 45 ready for dirt and take out anybody. So no bother with it, no bother with it.
In music that is forbidden to the culture, and when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to stop my mother. Oh. Yeah, him said the body washer, me dismiss that. And him go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him. And then him went out of the way to tell me suck my mother in my DM.
You speak English?
Yeah, yeah.
What is your good name?
My name is Motherfucker.
Well, your name is what?
Motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker.
I know somewhere deep down in my heart I still love you.
And if
Really?
I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that. Yeah.
He sends you a DM.
I can't understand. The man have up the man for one suck your mother when him get in him DM. I saw it personal and the amount of this your vibes cartel this him. Look on the clippings when I just shown with Ninja Man and this him up back then. And him really have up Alkaline for that. I say, oh, him a go hold Alkaline. And him did that Trinidad show the other day and him not do Alkaline nothing. I saw the man have up Alkaline, my bumbo clot. Viewers and subscribers, you know say them beauty, them people are corruption in a dancehall. Big corruption in a dancehall. The man have up Alkaline for your one suck your mother. And suck your mother they have a personal nowadays no more. But you see, at that for reach, you know, you this Alkaline for years, on top of years. And the youth make sure this about the real way. You take it personal. You take it real personal. And that for blood clean reach you.
And if
Really?
I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that. Yeah.
He sends you a DM.
Yeah. Me diss him on my timeline and him going on my DM and tell me something, mother. Everybody know about that. All our fans.
I see everybody getting heated and hot over it, saying, oh, I'm dissing people. And I never hear everybody talk about how them are diss me. From ever since I fall in the industry, killer call out my name. You saw me say, footer style, man. I'm not paying none of them, not mine. You saw me say, I just focus on my music. So why when I step on them, everybody have a problem. Yeah, some people just feel like it is okay for elders to disrespect the youth, but when the youth retaliate, it's a problem. When I play that game there, you saw me say, from your diss me, I got this here. When I cater who you be or where you fall from. From your diss me, you go get this. I have a system of my own.
Yeah, yeah.
What is your good name?
My name is Motherfucker.
Well, your name is what?
Motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker.
Killer come off a youth name now, man. Lord Bumbuckler youth, man. When I move like say the youth a stimulus package. stimulus check for no pocket. Lord the blood cleat youth now, man. Come on for a youth name and make the youth strive, man. A years when I try hold on the youth and I try shadow ban the youth career. Lord the youth now, man. Come on for a youth name. The youth having fan base, the youth are holy morning in own lane, and yet still every minute wanna find ways and means of mention the youth name and try for disrespect the youth name in our public media. And when the youth disrespect on the back now, on the inner on the feelings, I saw the youth disrespect personal, that's when them dis on the back, when they get up in on the feelings all years, span up of years, when they carry it in on the heart.
This is Bounty Funeral. Look at it. B-O-U-N-T-Y, that pronounced bounty. This is the only DJ when in Jamaica, when you want a tissue paper, you use this wipe your bottom. So Bounty going around and calling up my name. And him is the only DJ where is only waste my time used to wipe up. Nobody consider Bounty in this country. Him talking about him is the poor people governor. Him is the poor people sufferer. I want poor people dead for hungry. You ever tell about now the ghetto poor and everything. Him take out the whole thing from the ghetto and run up and see if he roll like money. And gone up in the years, gone live with rich people. Bounty for go. I am the PPP, People's Prime Minister for Peace, and when we look on Bounty, we step on him like this. We don't even want him for use in our kitchen and walk in our face. You are nothing but a sappy piece of cloth, Bounty Killer. You and your friend them, and I'm coming for you.
Viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. You know this is not one of my usual vlog them, but me did half a bun a piece of touch from Bounty Killer, man. Come on for Alkaline name now. Alkaline I do him own thing. Him not mix or mingle. Him not running on what? Just because the man not deal with you not running on the feeling on the feelings. Cause you gonna say the man antisocial and him not socialize with the public. I want him to come sit down and chat up with uno and laugh up with uno. Jaja, viewers and subscribers, as I said, me did African bun a piece of such a touch. You know it go already, man. A vibes and inside with Nando with another episode. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.